Haier instant electric water heater. Temperature visible, comfortable wash. Touch screen is beautiful and elegant. The system starts to test itself automatically after power on. Add plus antibacterial technology. Effectively inhibit 99% of bacteria in the water. Dual thermal proof. Auto thermal cutout 65C. Manual reset thermostat 85C. Withstand instantaneous voltage up to 4 kV, twice stricter than IEC standard. If leakage of electricity, the shock-proof icon will light up for early warning. There are more options to choose from.